Okay, I'm going to do some decoding on DSC. What is DSC? It's on ships and boats all over the world. It's for emergencies, flooding, collisions, groundings, listings, sinkings, any alerts, distress alerts. These are the frequencies. Now it says 16805, but 16804. And it decodes good for me. So you may have to play around with it a little bit. It could be because I have my squelch. It's hard to keep that squelch at the right spot, because if not, I'm going to have to scream over top of all the noise. So I'm trying to get this squelch set properly. As I said, just do a search on Google, digital select calling, and the information will come up. So we'll wait for a signal to come in. Depending on where you are, what kind of radio you have, what kind of antenna, how good propagation is, maybe this frequency won't work for you. You'll have to try one of the others. So we'll just be patient and wait. It's usually always around here for me on Multipsk. There's a lot of other stuff here, local maps, world map, Google. I don't have it all set up yet. And there we go. That was a good decode, nice and strong. And there's the information. There's a coast station called. It was for safety, ship, Bahamas, a few other things. This is a normal decode here, and there will be others with other information. A lot of testing. They're always testing to make sure everything is up and running, because if there is an emergency, then they're going to need that to send out information to the Coast Guard or whoever. There it is right there. That was a good decode. And there we are again. Now this was a test. Ship in the Bahamas. Here's a coast station in Chile. Ship Liberia, another test. And once you get this set up, you can just let it run. I usually let it run at night. It saves all this stuff into a log, and I go into the log and check it out and see if there's any emergencies or anything like that. That was a good decode. Move this over a tiny bit. I want these lines to line up right to the right of this one. Coast Station Rio, MRCC Brazil. It was a safety category. Ship Liberia. Get a lot of these safeties and a lot of tests. Not all ships have this on board, not all boats, but more and more are getting them. Now between digital decodes, it could be a lot of time, maybe minutes. And there's a good strong signal right there. Another one. That's what it looks like right here. safety, Australia, ship, Azores, Marshall Islands. This was a test. This was a test. And it's another safety, Cape Verde Star Station, and this is the name of the tanker, oil tanker in the Marshall Islands, the ship. And you can do searches on Google for this MMSI self-identifier right here, this number. And why don't we do that? Copy. Let's see. And I'll paste that in. And sure enough, there it is. There's some more information here. Port of calls. And you just go on, as I said, Google, take this number right here, right here, right here, and it will show you all the information on the ship. You'll be able to see the ship and where exactly it is. This is a test, this is a test. Tanker Marshall Islands, it's the same ship we were just looking at. Testing the equipment, make sure everything is okay. And this program, when I set it up, I can bring up the information on the world map or local map or on Google, but I just don't have it set up right now. There's another ship right here. Let's check this one. Wait a minute. Let's check this one out right here. Right here. See if anything comes up. And here's that ship. Nice picture of it. Information. Yeah, it's a very nice ship. Self-unloader, bulk carrier. So as I said, just do a search on Google. Let's see what we got here now. Okay, this is Canadian Post Station, Trenton, Canada. Again, all you do is get this number and put it into Google. As I said earlier, if this frequency doesn't work for you, you may have to go to another one. I know there's several frequencies that will work for me, but on some days they don't. And this one today is coming in pretty good. As I said, I'm having a little bit of problem because I'm using the squelch. I've got some noise from time to time, but I have to do it this way for a video, because if not, I don't want to be listening to that. There's a fax from New Orleans coming in over here, and some AM broadcast stations, really strong. Okay, another safety. Coast station in Spain. Ship Bahamas. This is something, as I said earlier, you can do. Set it up while you're sleeping or while you're out. Once you find a frequency that happens to be good in your area, and just let it go. Here, and it's saving all the information for me in a file. Exact information that's on the screen here. But I can come back and read it at any time, which is nice. Coast Station, Cape Town, South Africa. A little bit weak. Marshall Islands, Chile. Yeah, it's very interesting. You can kill some time, as I said, by taking these numbers and doing your searches. It's nice to see the ships. Couple tests coming in. As I said, a lot of the ships do tests to make sure their equipment is up and running, just in case there is a problem. Another test called Coast Station in Australia, Hong Kong, China. Okay, so I hope you'll find this interesting. Hopefully I've answered a few questions for you. And again, something to try out. Sometimes it gets awful boring when there's nothing to listen to. Go digital. There's tons and tons of stuff out there digital that you can decode. Just look at all this stuff and all this. I'm just going through everything now. This one, ACARS, I've decoded. P25, DMR, HFDL aircraft, RIDI, CellCal aircraft, Polksag, I've done these ones. SSTV, fax, I've done. Decoding, I've done. And of course the packets, I've done. Navtex, I've done. CW, I've done. Yeah, I'm just going through these and learning how to do things. Keeps you busy. Lots to do on HF radio. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.